How to install Windows 10 or 11 in VirtualBox, best method. So in this video, I'm going to be quickly giving you an overview on how you can go ahead and install Windows 10 or 11 in VirtualBox. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is right over here, you have VirtualBox up and running. Now, once you come over to VirtualBox, you're going to download the window hosts that they have. And once you do that, let me show you what VirtualBox is going to look like. So this is VirtualBox, right? Now, how are we supposed to go ahead and add our very own Windows virtual in this? So to do this, you're going to basically click on add, okay? And once you click on add, you're basically going to go ahead and find any Windows 10 or 11 installation. Now, in the case you don't have that, what you can do is you can actually import a machine into this as well that you can give a file name, okay? And you can find that file right over here, and do make sure that you have the Windows 11 installation up and running in your PC. In the case you don't have that, obviously, you will not be able to go ahead and get a general export out of things. So once you've added the Windows 11 installation in your basic, prompt over here, what's going to happen is it's going to create a proper virtual tool out of it. And that is basically how you're going to go ahead and create a proper machine of a Windows 11 virtual box. So yeah, that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.